Hello student, good morning to all. I am Rao Sharma from LP Public School. Today I am going to take lecture of 10th class. And as you know, our chapter Human Eye and Colorful World is going on. Now I am going to explain defect of vision. So in our eye, there is two type of defects. Some defects are biological and they can remove by treatment, biological treatment. But some defects are refractive defect. They arise due to refraction of light. As you know, our eye consists a lens, and this lens behave as a convex lens. Then refraction of light. As you know, the ciliary muscles control the focal length of eye lens. Sometime when we have to see the far off object, then ciliary muscles are relaxed. It means the focal length increases. When we have to see nearby object, then the ciliary muscles contract. It means they exert pressure on convex lens, and the focal length of convex lens decreases, and we can see nearby object clearly. So this defect arise due to defect in lens. Eye lens become rigid, or due to the weakness of ciliary muscles. So I am going to explain some defect depend upon refractive index. It means refraction of eye lens through eye lens. So this defect first is myopia. Second is hypermetropia, and third is presbyopia. Okay, so now I am going to explain the defect myopia. What is myopia defect? In myopia defect, a man can see nearby object clearly but unable to see far off object properly. It means can see nearby object clearly but cannot see far off object properly. Okay, this defect is also known as short-sightedness. Why this defect is known as short-sightedness, I will discuss with diagram. Okay, so this is myopia defect. Now I am going to draw some diagram related to myopia defect. As you know, a normal eye, this is normal eye. When objects situated at infinity, so infinity means the rays of light incident on lens. Infinity mean your object situated on 2 meter, 3 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter. So all these points are infinity. It means when rays of light incident on eye lens parallel to each other. And for normal vision, For normal eye lens, these rays of light gets refraction by eye lens and focused on retina. And retina consists sensitive cells, and through this sensitive cell convert the signals, optical signal into electrical signals, and through optic nerve these signals transfer to our brain, and our brain can recognize the object properly. But if this is myopic eye, it means defected by myopia defect, then in this case the eye lens focused the rays before retina. It means there is no signal on retina, or if some signals find by retina, that is weak signal. It means our mind get weak signal. It means the image is blur. In case of myopic eye, that is normal eye, and that is myopic. ओके, तो नॉर्मल आई इन्फिनिटी पर ऑब्जेक्ट को दे सकती है प्रॉपरली, लेकिन जो हमारी मायोपिक आई होगी वो इन्फिनिटी ऑब्जेक्ट को प्रॉपरली नहीं देख पाएगी, क्योंकि जो हमारी जो रेज ऑफ लाइट होंगी वो रेटिना से पहले ही फोकस्ड हो जाएंगे. ओके, हमारे ब्रेन को क्या नहीं मिलेंगे? सिग्नल्स. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द रीजन? मायोपिया डिफेक्ट के क्या रीजन हो सकते हैं? सो फर्स्ट रीजन इज दैट द eyeball become too long. The eyeball becomes too long. It means the distance between lens and retina becomes too long. These rays of light focused just before retina. Okay, so that it is the first reason. And second reason, decreases in focal length. This is maybe second reason. Decreases in focal length. Decreases in focal length of eye lens. It means it is too convex. It means it is too convex. It means the converging power of eye lens increases. Converging power increases. Okay, so these are two main reasons of myopic eye. In case of myopic eye, our far point is shifted. It means, as you know, for a normal eye, a man can see 25 to infinity. It means नॉर्मल आई 25 और इन्फिनिटी के बीच में आसानी से देख सकती है. बट इन केस ऑफ मायोपिक आई द फार पॉइंट इज शिफ्टेड. इट मीन वी कैन सी till this point or unable to see between beyond this point. It means that this is 25 centimeter near point and far point is infinity. It is far point for normal eye, but for myopic eye this is far point. It means a myopic eye can see only till this point. When the ray of light start from this point, it means object situated at this point, then the rays coming from this point, that is far point for myopic eye, and these focused at retina by convex lens. So that is far point for myopic eye. Clear? So what is the reason? It means when objects situated at infinity, these lens converge, the converging power increases. It means if this lens have to converge at 20 degree, this lens start to converge at 25 degree. It means there is 5 degree difference arise, and this arise due to the increasing converging power of eye lens. It means we have to balance this 5 degree. इस 5 degree को हमें क्या करना है? बैलेंस. Okay, so what can do to balance this 5 degree? It means that is eye lens, that is eyeball, and this is eye lens, and now the rays of light coming from infinity. Infinity mean beyond this far point. This is far point for myopic eye. Now rays of light coming from infinity beyond this point. If at this point these rays diverge at 5 degree, because we have to balance this 5 degree. So how we can diverge this ray? We can diverge this ray by using concave lens. By using this concave lens, we can focus this ray at far point. This is the far point for myopic eye. Okay, that is the far point for myopic eye. It means when now our object situated not infinity, object at infinity, but by helping of concave lens we focused object at far point for myopic eye. So in this case our object is situated at far point O dash for eye lens. Now this eye lens, for this eye lens object situated at O dash. This lens for convex lens ऑब्जेक्ट कहां पर रखा है? इन्फिनिटी पर, O पर. लेकिन for eye lens ऑब्जेक्ट कहां पर है? फार पॉइंट O dash पर. And this is the far point for myopic eye. It means our eye lens can see this object properly. So these rays of light start coming from infinity, focused at O dash. Now another ray, this behave as an object for eye lens. At this point rays starting and this ray incident on eye lens, and in this case that is ray incident on retina, and our retina consists sensitive cells, and that cells consist optical signals, and these signals transfer to our brain by using optic nerve, and our mind gets signals and can see object properly or clearly. It means this is the correction. This is the correction of myopia defect. Okay, it means we can correct myopia defect by using concave lens. Clear? And we can find the focal length or power of these concave lens. As you know, to correct myopia defect, a person wear concave lens, object situated at infinity. It means U equal to infinity. U is equal to infinity, and D is far point for myopic eye. It means V equal to minus D. V is equal to minus D. So by using lens formula, so 1 upon F equal to 1 upon V minus 1 upon U. So 1 upon F equal to 1 upon minus D minus 1 upon infinity. So 1 upon F equal to minus 1 upon D. So F equal to minus D. It means the focal length of this concave lens is equal to the far point for myopic eye. Okay, so by using this concept we can find the focal length, and by 4 to power of this concave lens, P is equal to 100 upon F in centimeter, and by using this formula we can find the power. By using this we can find focal length of this concave lens, and by this formula we can find the power of this concave lens. So I hope you understand about this myopia defect. Tomorrow I will explain about the hypermetropia defect. Thank you very much.